Hi, Ma'am Tess. Happy birthday po. You've made the world a better place for 75 years. And for that, we are forever grateful and thankful. Sayang lang ho, hindi ako makakadalo. May conflict. Cheers to you and the beautiful journey behind. Salamat po sa maganda nating samahan. Salamat, nakilala ko kayo sa paaralan, sa Tinore. Nakasama ko kayo. Salamat sa magagandang palitan natin ng kwento ng ating partner in life. Hindi ko po yun makakalimutan. Enjoy your day po. Long live the Queen. Thank you, Rom, for counting me. Salamat po. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mare!
Happy 75th birthday.
Wish namin sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay at ng mabuting kalusugan.
Okay.
Happy trip, Mare!
Ingat.
Hi, Te!
Hello!
Yeah.
Happy birthday
To you! Happy birthday, Te! Happy 75th. Calling here from Hong Kong. Nandito ngayon si Kai Kai. Oh, Kai Kai, hello.
Kai, say
To
hello.
Lola.
Say hello,
To
Lola.
Nandito rin si Ted. Hi, 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 hi. Wala na si Pipi.
No more.
Sana mag-enjoy ka dyan sa party mo dyan.
Yes, good health and
Good
happiness.
health.
Yes. Balik po kayo soon so you can meet Kai.
Yeah.
Yes.
Basta enjoy ka lang dyan.
Say happy birthday, Lola.
More birthdays to come and more health. Okay?
Happy birthday, Lola. Say
Ayan pa, mayroon din sabihin si Kai sa'yo. Si Kai Kayo. Lola, happy birthday!
Say happy birthday to you. Yay!
Ito rin, oh. Happy birthday raw, sabi ni Ted. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Ciao. Bye-bye. Hope to see you soon. Love you.
Love you. Bye-bye.
Hello po, Andite. Wishing you happiest of birthday po. Wishing you longer life and prosperity. And we hope to see you again here in Hong Kong. Bye.
Hello po, Lola Tess.
Hi, Ate Tess! Happy birthday to you! More birthdays to come. Enjoy your birthday in the Philippines. Happy birthday ulit. God bless.
Hi po, Lola Tess. Happy birthday. Hope you enjoy your day today and your life is an inspiration to all of us.
Lola Tess. More 15 in Tatisco Arts.
Hi, Ate Tess. Happy birthday. Nasurpresa ka. Oh, mag-ingat ka palagi, ha? Kasi alam mo na, medyo senior na tayo. Happy birthday ulit sa inyo from Saudi.
Happy
Hi.
birthday po! We love you!
Ingat!
Hi, Chates! Happy 75th birthday! Good health always. Enjoy niyo po yung bakasyon niyo dyan. Next time, sabay po ulit tayo.
Hi, Chates. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo good health always and more birthdays to celebrate. Ang sarap naman, sama-sama. Yan ang nami-miss ko, yung sama-sama. Nasa compound, pulong-pulong, kape-kape. Siguradong masaya sa compound kasi nadagdagan ng inay ng compound. Sarap, long vacation at birthday pa. Eto si Alice, babati din.
Hi, Chates! Happy birthday! More birthdays to come. Stay healthy and happy.
Auntie, happy 75th birthday po! Did you know 75 is the new 18? So you're only 18 with 57 years of life experience. And with that being said, I pray that you continue to spread your love and wisdom for many, many, many more years to come. We wish you the happiest birthday. We love you, we miss you, and we hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Te! Happy 75 birthday! I love you! Kasama ko si Mama Ting. Is waiting for you here in Bicol, Cebu. Sana maghaba pang buhay mo. Magaya mo si Mama Ting na nag-edad ng 97 years old. Sana maglampas ka pa ng 100. I love you. Win, say happy birthday kay Lola Tess. Lola Tess. Visit ka dito kay Mama Ting. Andito si Mama Ting waiting for you.
Happy birthday
To you!
Happy birthday
To you!
Happy birthday
To
Lola Tess!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Lola. You're awesome and you don't look a day over 75. We miss you.
Hi Lola, I hope you enjoy your stay in the Philippines. Thank you for taking care of me for the past 13 years. Love you.
Hi Ma! Happy 75th birthday! Enjoy your vacation in the Philippines.
Happy 75th birthday, Ma, and thank you for everything and for always being there for us. We're so grateful. Wishing you more birthdays to come, more fun, more travels, and a lot of wonderful, cherished memories. Love you.
Love you, Ma. Happy
birthday.
Go.
Hello, Ma. Happy birthday po and God bless.
Happy 75th birthday, Ma. Hindi nyo kami ni-invite, nakakatampo kayo. See you soon. Malay nyo, nandiyan kami sa Pasko. Bye-bye. God bless.
Happy 75th birthday, Tess! I hope you have so many more birthday until 100.
God bless.
Enjoy. Ciao.
Bye.
Okay.
Hi, Te. Surprise! We missed you already, but I'm sure you're having an amazing time with family and friends celebrating your special day today. I wanted to wish you a happy and unforgettable birthday with everyone. Be blessed, be jolly, be happy, be safe, be beautiful, and have fun. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hi Te, I just want to wish you a wonderful happy birthday. I know you are surprised. Having said, sending you love and lots of blessings. We love you and happy birthday.
Hello everyone. Hello birthday celebrant. Happy birthday my big sister, and I hope you will enjoy the day and for the rest of the of your stay there in the Philippines. In behalf of my family here in Edmonton, Canada, we wish you a very happy birthday and we wish you all the best. God loves you and we love you and we're going to miss you. Again, happy birthday and enjoy the rest with your family staying here in the Philippines. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah! Happy birthday, Mama!
Love you!
Love you! Love you!
I wish you a safe flight. Thank you.
Enjoy your birthday in the Philippines.
Yeah, have a happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy naman.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Yay.
Happy birthday, Ma! Enjoy!
That was pretty good.